course, I'm in the wrong lane. Now we're in Fort Collins, Colorado. We're going to check out the wash at JJ's. It's... oh, it looks like a Typhoon. I thought it was an XP. I think it'll be better if I go around on the other side. Okay, yeah, it's a Typhoon. I thought it was an XP, but it was kind of hard to tell on Street View. It's replaced an old Mark VII GT-98, by the way. Yeah, I definitely made the right move going in there. Other way around. Oh, it's a new Typhoon, like very new.
Welcome to our car wash. Please select to wash by touching the corresponding button on the screen, or touch the enter code button to enter your code.
This might have replaced an XP, since this one looks brand new, but don't know for sure though, but hey, let's do it. Let's do it anyway. We have an 8, okay, there we go, we get both in the view. 8, well, they've been upped from this. 8, 10, 12, and 14. Done already.
Please insert payment now. Please wait while you're coming. Thank you. When the wash is ready, please move forward into the wash.
Still not telling you to go yet. Come on! Already. Okay, there we go. Yeah, newer Typhoon with the turbo nozzles. Alright, well, there goes the one to the back. Or if like is it also possible this got a retrofit? If it was a Typhoon? I really don't know. Jeez. Alright, so dual application tri-foam and rocker panel blasters. And here comes everything. Wax. This is probably going to be a very fast wash, knowing it's a newer Typhoon. I'm parked a little bit too far to the right. That's why it sounds loud on that side. Oh man. Turbo nozzle's not spinning. That looks like a spot free. Yeah, this one's doing pretty good too. It's got 6 blowers on it instead of the usual 4 or 3, so timer out there. Pretty good wash. Pretty fast wash too. I'm gonna go park and look at a few other washes on maps, because I did go by a couple and I want to see if they're worth getting or not. Seems pretty good. So nothing too fancy, but thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed, and that'll be it for this one.